If you've lost access to your Monster account and don't have your phone number, you can still recover your account by following these steps. Step 1. Visit the Monster login page. Go to the official Monster website and click on the login button. This will take you to the login page where you can find options for account recovery. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Monster account. Make sure to use the correct email to receive recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for an email from Monster. This email will contain a link or instructions on how to reset your password and regain access to your account. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the instructions to reset your password. Once you have reset your password, you should be able to log into your account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, consider reaching out to Monster's customer support for further assistance.